Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your Realme C31. First of all, open top navigation bar and find screen recorder button here, this one. If you don't have this button here, on the top you got pencil, tap it, then scroll down, find this button here in this block, then press and hold and drag to top to add this button into our top navigation bar. And now click back for saving. Now we add this button and press, and before start recording we got show touches on the screen option. This position of switcher, it's turn off this option, and this like blue, it's activate this option, and press start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.